always been told to love myself. I try, but I can never understand. It's hard.
Hi everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a video upon request, and the request comes from a Jonathan, and I apologize if I'm not pronouncing your last name correctly, Jonathan Charbonnet, and he says, Nelly Zupani, could you post your meal plan? Well, today I'm going to show you my 7-day keto meal plan as per the request, and hopefully, Jonathan, you are a subscriber, because if you're not, then please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. So for everybody else, if you are interested to see what kinds of food and how I prepare my keto meals for the week, then please keep watching. Now I'm going to also microwave the frozen cauliflower. There you have it, my meal plan for the week. And for a snack, you can have a tablespoon of peanut butter, 2 tablespoons of shredded unsweetened coconut, a tablespoon of sunflower seeds, and I've got a paleo mix, which is another tablespoon when you're feeling that you need to be eating something either after a workout or before a workout. So there are so many benefits in planning your meals on a weekly basis. It's time efficient if you're time poor like myself. You can measure out exactly what it is that you want to eat in terms of your protein, your fats and your carbs. So on that note, everybody, if you enjoyed watching this video, I'm going to have this snack now. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and make sure you click that notification bell for all the upcoming videos. Gotta go now. Bye for now.